Welcome. For the next 10 minutes, we'll prepare to step into this day with calm strength, whether you're literally walking into your morning or simply sitting here in stillness. You'll learn to take each step with purpose, balance, and presence. So take a slow inhale through the nose and exhale gently through the mouth. And again, inhale deeply and exhale fully. So one more time now, in with the inhale and out with the exhale. Feel your body begin to settle. Your shoulders soften. Jaw relaxes. The weight of the night begins to lift. So close your eyes and imagine yourself standing at the threshold of your day. Before you is a path, and behind you is rest, sleep, and all that's already past. And ahead of you is possibility. So take a breath and picture your foot lifting gently, ready to take the first step of the day. Feel the sense of choice here, the ability to step with intention, and no rush. And now imagine your bare feet touching the ground. Feel the contact, steady and solid and supportive. And with each step, the earth meets you, holds you, and welcomes you. So inhale, feeling energy arise from the ground into your body. And then exhale, feeling yourself sink deeper into the earth. Each step is a partnership between you and the earth, so begin to picture yourself walking forward. Slowly and calmly, each step is a rhythm with your breath. So inhale and lift the foot, and exhale and place it down. Inhale, lift, and exhale, place. This walking is not about speed, it's about presence. Step by step, breath by breath, you're arriving into your day. So now imagine that with each step, you're carrying a quality forward into the day. So step with calm, step with confidence, and step with patience, and step with kindness. Each step plants this quality into the ground, leaving a trail of your intention behind you. So take a few moments to walk in silence with these qualities. Whilst I'm quiet for a moment. And now look up at the path ahead. See the day stretching forward. See the people you may meet. The tasks you may face. And the surprises that may come. And instead of rushing toward them, step gently, step steadily, and step with trust. And then whisper silently to yourself, I meet this day one step at a time. Every step I take is grounded in presence. I walk into this day with balance. I don't need to rush. I only need to arrive. Each step carries me exactly where I need to be. So feel these words anchor into your breath, into your feet, and into your path. So now pause for a moment on your path. Stand tall and breathe deeply. Notice how far you've already come, simply by walking with awareness. And realize this truth. You don't need to control the whole day. You only need to take the next step with presence. And then the next, and then the next. So take one final deep inhale. Imagine energy rising from the ground through your body. Hold gently at the top, and then exhale, feeling steady, balanced, and ready. So bring movement back into your fingers and toes. Roll your shoulders gently. Stretch gently if it feels good. Open your eyes now and carry this truth. Your day is not a race. It's a path. So walk it step by step with presence, and you'll always be exactly where you need to be. Welcome to your morning. Namaste.